What's up, guys? I hope you're good. Let the adventure begin. I'm traveling to Morocco and I thought I'd share this trip with you guys. I'll try to find some useful info that I can share with you. Cost of transport, food, accommodation. I'll share this with you later on. For now, let me just head to the airport. Oh dear, not long to go now. They'll be showing the gates in a few minutes. In contrast to the check-in points, the waiting area is actually quite busy. Quite busy. Moderately busy. Well, if you consider the current situation, it's not too bad. Check-in was quite smooth. They checked the vaccination pass, COVID pass. It was alright. Now it's just the waiting game. Interesting thing this vlogging is, I think the biggest difficulty is to overcome this fear of embarrassment, mostly. Because whether you like it or not, you will attract attention when you're talking to a camera. So probably that's something you will have to just deal with. Well, try to get over it, or try to overcome it more precisely. And then the rest should be fine. Hi.
Thank you. Yeah, just lower your mask for me, please. Yeah, okay. Have a nice flight, sir.
Thank you. Whew, I'm so tired, it's ridiculous. Anyway, finally got to the accommodation. Let me give you a quick tour. So this is the living, kitchen, and I understand that the shower and hot water works of the gas cylinder there. Okay, it's kind of an interesting window. Let's get some privacy, shall we? Okay. Next up. Well, the fridge is about as old as it gets. Anyway, shall be some hallway. What's this one? One room. Another room. Some TV. Whatnot. Wardrobe. And the bathroom. Not always.